It was not the greatest video you've ever seen. Anyway, what am I standing on? Is that Minecraft? Yeah! There's nothing on the front. Yo, what is that? What is happening? Where am I? Was that my voice in AI?
Bro. Not again.
At least I'm alive.
Okay.
What is that, bro? That was good story. Like, I was watching that video the whole time. Superpower 23. Anyway, what is that, bro?
Pero ano mo ka?
The next one wasn't much better. To be honest, there's not really that much to show. Oh, this is called Sammy Dash. What is this?
Hey, Daddy.
What?
I didn't know I have a medal. When I hear that they said medal, I was
No.
Surprise!
They easily wanted to do before, and now he's making one more winner from his bracket.
Are you surprised? Nagdigi ako. Tago ko yan. Saan ba nalagay ni mami? Doon sa ano mo sa kumun. Sabi yung kumun mo. Sabi yung kumun.
Time to see who wins this
I
bracket.
want to show this to my teacher.
Ayan.
Which one's gonna win, Jack? Oh my god, I thought it was tight. 2 is here. I thought 4 would honestly get more votes. We're in a second 16 bracket. We have a winner!
Ano nangyari sa sapatos ko?
16, that means that we are
Hindi. Yung mga itim.
Say guys, everybody like and smash
Hindi.
the video. 25,000
Parang ano,
Marker.
marker. Hoy, ni-marker mo yung sapatos ni JD? Ha? Meron ba ano dyan? Meron kang wipes dyan? May wipes ka dyan? Wala. Ayun. Kunin mo ito. Kunin mo sa wawa yung wipes.
Papa,
Kunin mo bilis. Kunin mo yung wipes.
alam ko yung ano marker.
Oh, ni marker eh. Oh, marker.
Chat, I want you to hype David up. Let David know that David
Bye-bye.
Daddy said this one.
you may not be winning right here, but David, I want you to know that
Maybe it's that.
I know who would win. And others I'm gonna be like fighting when I see who David is. So I want everybody who's watching this video to comment.
It is Daddy.
Yan nga. Bakit naman napunta sa sapatos ni Daddy? Oo nga, yan nga yata. Marker nga! Ano bang?
Diba ang smart kong marker?
No, yun na. No. No.
Let's go.
Kaya kinapigil pa ako ikahoy. I'll give mo sa Wawa. I'll give mo Say mo Wawa. Thank you Wawa. Say mo thank you Wawa ha. Thank you Wawa. Thank you. Saan si Wawa?
Ulit nga, ito pangit. Hindi. Yes.
I told say, hey daddy, I have a gun.
What's that? Hey! Where did you get that?
I have double guns, bro. And there's something over here, but it's gone. There it comes, daddy.
Hey, don't blast me with that gun. Hey, no! Not working, Yuri.
Bang-bang mo si Daddy. Bang-bang. Daddy. 1, 2, 3, Daddy. Bang-bang.
Bang, bang!
1, 2, 3.
Bang, bang!
Go. Alam, si Daddy.
Bang, bang!
Ganito pa na yung ganito. Ganyan.
Sa ano pala may sa Rustans, may Delonghi.
Pala, tingnan natin kung magkano, no? Hindi, offer natin dilong ni Camille. Kung nag-appreciate ba, nag-depreciate.
Patay na, patay na.
Eh kasi mura kasi yun, discounted ni Camille yan. Walang tax, di ba? Pagpunta ng Pilipinas yan, may tax na yan.
Na, ready?
Hindi nga mahabang ano eh.
Patay na ito, patay na.
Ay. Please.
Hoy, Nuna, wag ka na magkalat, Nuna! Hoy! Hoy! Put it back, Nuna! Put it back! Put it back! Put it back, Nuna! Stop!
Halika na. Sakay na sa kayo. Buksan mo na yung sasakyan.
Stop! Pwede. Ano yan? Stop! Kasama ka ba? Iwan ka na lang. Sige, so maiwan.
Sino?
Bakit mo sinasabi natin
We will go na. Go na tayo, go na. Stop na, no more. Go na tayo. Kaya tayo sa car na. Kaya tayo broom. Tayo broom. Sus mo, oo nga. Asan na shocks mo? Wala na shocks. Ako, wala na shocks na yun ah.
Napakainit.
Oh, bubo. Daddy, bye. Parang ako daddy.
Daddy, here's the
Ayan!
1, 2, 3.
No! No!
Daddy.
Kukunin ko na si Yuna. Ika na, Yuna. Ika na muna. Ang habis mo. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Ako ba nakakain tayo? Sus mo yan. Sus mo Yuna. Daddy coffee, okay? Daddy coffee.
What's up, baby?
Bilisan mo na.
What happened, Bella?
Minard.
Let's go!
Ang ending na, alam mo yung isang bayan yung pastoral retreat. Kami ko, yung bahay sa tasa. Warrior of Martin. Mga isang gabot pa sa inyo. Ay, makaalis na lang na. Makasarap na din kumain. Hindi, isa lang kasi order ng kami. Wala kayo din ano, yung papalakot sa mata. Wala sa kwarto, kasi alam mo anak, hindi na pa natin sinagamit yung ano yun. Paalam mo na sa Wawa. Kiss ka na. Kiss mo si Wawa. Baka magkaiyakan pa kayo mo.